Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving a reasoning sitting arrangement problem. In the present case, we have 4 questions linked to our puzzle. You can pause this video and try solving this puzzle problem. Let's see the solution. The best way to solving such problems is that we move our cursor along the lines as we read so that we don't miss any of the important hints which is required to solve this puzzle problem. It says a certain number of people are sitting in a row facing north. This implies that all the persons sitting are facing in the north direction, which means that their right will be in this direction and their left will be in this direction. Next, it says that A is seated at one of the extreme ends of the row, but we don't know which end is A seated, so we will have two cases here. One in which A is sitting at the leftmost end, and second case in which A is sitting at the right end of the row. Next it says Y is seated fourth from the left end, so we'll place Y accordingly in both our cases. Next it says B is seated fourth to the right of Y. That means there are 3 persons between B and Y. Next it says 3 people are seated between B and C. Since already 3 people are sitting between B and Y, therefore the only place where C can get is to the right of B. Next it says no one is seated to the right of G. This implies that G is at the rightmost end of our row. Therefore, G should be here. This also eliminates our second case, where we have placed A at the rightmost end. Next it says L is seated second to the left of G. Therefore, we can place L accordingly. And P sits exactly between Y and B. So P will sit here. M is seated fourth to the left of L. And there are 3 people between C and M. So we'll place L to fourth to the left of L, and there are 3 people between C and M. K is seated second to the right of B. So we'll place K here, and E is seated exactly between K and C. So E will come here. Now let's solve the questions. Who is seated 7 to the right of A? That means it is asking about the person who is sitting to the right of A such that there are 6 people between that person and A. So here we have B, which is seated 7 to the right of A. Therefore, this is the right answer. Next it says how many people are sitting to the left of E. So clearly there are 10 people who are sitting to the left of E. So therefore, C option is the right answer. Next it says who among the following is sitting at the extreme end of the row. We know that it is A and G who are sitting at the extreme ends of the row. Therefore, D is the right answer. Next it says who among the following is seated between C and L. So clearly it is M who is seated between C and exactly between C and L. Therefore, the correct option to this question is E, which is none of the given options. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.